All right, so I know you're gonna say we just redid Eliza's room.
It's been like a year.
Has it been a whole year?
Almost.
I don't know. She no longer dances. The window treatments, no worky. They're like falling down. They don't block out the light. They offer zero privacy.
A couple weeks ago, she actually was playing over there on the floor, and the curtain rod suffered a catastrophic failure. So that's got to be replaced. It's already overdue. We need to get that done quick.
And her mattress, yuck. Like, do you see how it's like folded in there? Like there's a crease in the mattress. I tried to put some cheap Walmart memory foam on it, but it's not solving the problem. But the other thing is she's a crafter. And so I told her she cleaned out her craft drawers. See this bag of crap? If she cleaned out her craft drawers, she could get a new mattress. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna unbox this puppy and get it started releasing, fluffing up, because they box it in here. It's a Lull mattress. We've heard lots of great things about it, so we'll let you know how we like it. We're also gonna be installing wallpaper, new bedding, and new window treatments over here, and moving the entire gallery wall over to make room for the wallpaper, so stay tuned.
So to start out, we're gonna get rid of her mountain of stuffed animals and blankets, pare that down for her, help her out there. I'm counting pillows. She has the same problem that Jami has.
It's not a problem.
I think it's not an Eliza problem. I think it's a Jami problem, because Jami overstuffs every bed with pillows. Wait, there's more. Look, that mattress was cute.
Gross.
It's probably a hand-me-down from way back in the day when your mom was redoing a room.
Probably. It's gotta go. Opening the package here. Eliza's been complaining that she can't sleep, so I feel like a better mattress might actually help in that department. It was free shipping, which is awesome. And you can sleep on it for 100 nights, and then if you don't like it, you can return it, but you're probably gonna love it, so it won't matter anyways.
Come on, Jami, lift that up out. Come on. Dump it out. There you go. Here, dump it out on the floor. Or there.
No, I'm gonna dump it out right here. That's the easiest way.
There you go. Look at that.
That actually was pretty easy.
Careful. Careful.
It's already started.
I feel like you're going willy-nilly.
It's not that complicated. Boom, baby. Do you hear it? It's already starting to expand. All right, there we go. It's already starting to expand.
Yeah, it's expanding quick.
Hold on, it's expanding. I haven't got this off yet. Okay. All right, look how much it expanded in
30 seconds.
Yeah, awesome. All right, we're gonna let this expand. And while Zeb goes out in the garage and works, I'm going to take down the curtains and all the stuff off the wall so we can work on that part of our project. Don't get whacked in the face. All right.
Boy, look at those.
Everything is off the wall, so the next step is going to be to install said wallpaper. We are installing the Be Darling wallpaper. The wall is clean, which is important, so you want to wipe it down, let it dry completely, and we've removed all the outlets, and you want to actually put it up about 1 inch above where you need, because walls are not straight. If you poke it right up against the top of the ceiling, if your wall isn't straight, then slowly it'll start going with whatever direction the wall is. Couple things to keep in mind. It will not damage your walls, but you want your walls clean, painted, primed, and the paint has to be dry at least 30 days. The paint needs to be dry. If they've already been painted, then just wipe them down and let it dry, and then put the wallpaper up.
The first piece is always the trickiest to get up. Once you've got that up, you're usually pretty good to just throw the other ones on there.
Yeah, we went with Be Darling because it's a local Utah company, and they had some really beautiful designs. This is like an oversized lavender floral with some pink undertones, so I think it's going to go really well in here and match her Betty's bedding that we are going to be unboxing here in a minute. It is possible that you could get bubbles, or your texture may not be even. Just work those out with your fingers. You could even poke it with a pin and work it out. Every wall is a little bit different. And the nice thing is when we redesign, We can pull the wallpaper off without damaging the wall, and the other great thing is that it doesn't require any paste. It sticks.
So what I did here is I just kind of tacked it to the top and made sure I was straight along the wall over here. And I'm gonna go ahead and start peeling this backer off. It's got a backer right here. I'm gonna peel that off as I go down and just kind of work it with my hands and keep it flat and flush against the wall. So I'm using this hand here to hold this tight against the wall. And that's gonna basically be my straight line that I'm gonna carry all the way through the end. And our excess is up top. That way, if it slopes down or slopes up, depending on if this wall's straight or not, we can still cut and it'll look good on the end result. It's gonna really change the whole look of this room.
I kind of felt like the room was never all the way pulled together, but I was over it, so I moved on with my life. But I think this is really gonna be
We try not to come in here because Eliza's a hardcore crafter. This room is mostly on the verge of being blown up with craft supplies and paper and confetti all over the place.
I don't know where she gets that from. She likes the glitter too.
She needs a full-blown craft room. Like, I'm thinking of taking her dresser and everything out of here and her TV and all of it and just building her shelves like a shop. We'll see if she stays with it into her teens. She'll be 10 next month. So if you miss your line and you have to peel and reposition, you can do that a couple times. You don't want to go and do that a bunch because after a few times it will lose some of its stickiness and it won't hang to the wall very well. Okay, there's an outlet right here. It's gonna take a straight edge and just a little pop there and cut through the box. I got the breaker off just in case I slip. I don't wanna electrocute myself.
And you don't have to do like the entire piece. You're just gonna wanna cut it big enough so that way the receptacle is exposed and then the raw edges will be covered by the actual cover.
Okay, so I'm gonna take the straight edge right along the trim.
So pretty! Alright, so sheet number 2 is going up. It's marked B. And Zeb's just gonna line it up with the first sheet. See, it's B with an arrow. Easy peasy. Zeb's gonna line it up and make sure that the design matches before he gets started.
You want to peel about 4 or 5 inches. And then that way you've got enough room to work. Alright, so what I'm doing here is I'm just lining the pattern up down below, and then I will tack it to the wall. And you might get a wrinkle or two doing this when you first start, but get it tacked to the wall and then slowly work your wrinkles out. Okay, now I'm just going to grab the backer and slowly work it down, making sure my edge is lined up over here. When I'm all done, I'll come and trim this top piece all along the top. So this is the last panel. I think all total, by the time I'm done with this one, will be about 45 minutes doing this whole wall. It's gone really fast.
I would say 45 minutes, and this makes a huge impact in the room. Look at that. This is the back wall. When you walk into the room, this is the first wall you see. So that's why we chose to make this the accent wall.
Alright, the wallpaper's all up. I've got about 3/4 of an inch over here that hangs over. So I'm just going to cut this right down the seam of the wall. I'll do the same across the top with the ceiling and trim that out too, same way.
Alright, Eliza, how does the mattress feel?
It's
like
squishy. It's like your mattress. It's soft.
It's soft. Does it feel like a marshmallow?
Yeah, it does.
You think you're gonna get better sleep on it?
Probably.
You think you'll actually clean your room?
Yeah. I'll think about that.
Alright, we'll check back in with you in the morning and see if you like it.
Okay.
These curtains are blackout and will offer her some privacy as well as help her hopefully sleep in a little bit in the morning so she's not harassing us.
So she's not wanting breakfast at 6 a.m. all summer.
Yeah.
We've got the car toe tech. Just slips into the back socket here. Looks like I've got one there. Just taking the tip of the screw. If this is built to spec, this wall should have a stud 16 inches apart from that one. I'm hoping that the screw holes on this are also 16 inches apart. So Eliza has been sleeping on this Lull mattress for about 2 weeks now. How do you like it?
It's really soft and comfortable.
Is it helping you sleep better?
Yes, I sleep all night long.
So we've got the beddys bedding on here, and we just have it folded up so you can see this Lull mattress. But she's going to show you how easy it is to make her bed. It's basically like putting on a sheet. How old are you, Eliza?
9 turning 10.
When do you turn 10?
April 1st.
Oh, April Fools. So, show them the zipper real quick on how easy it is to get in these blankets.
There's a zipper right here. Just unzip and move the pillow so you can get in.
Show them the flaps that keeps you nice and warm all night. How are you loving the bedding?
It's nice.
Do you like the color?
Yes.
Because you're not a pink girl, are you? Even though you have a pink shirt on?
Yes. I just wear what my mom buys.
She recently revealed to me that she does not love pink. I kept buying her all this pink stuff and thinking she loved it, and she doesn't love it. So we got the purple beddys and curtain.
Eliza's room is finished. Took a little bit longer than expected. Isn't that always the way it happens?
Almost always. Usually a couple extra days trickle in.
Well, we wind up having something else we want to add, this, that, and the other thing. Life happens. But I love it. I'm especially loving the Be Darling wallpaper, the beddys bedding, and the Lull mattress. Eliza has enjoyed having a comfy bed to sleep on. We're definitely not going to have to use their money back guarantee because she has never given that mattress up. We'll drop links below for everything, including some discount codes for some of the products we used today. Be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Jami Ray Vintage for more
DIY.
Hit the subscribe button.